International Airport, right?
Yes.
So where do they get the water then?
The water, the plan is to have
Plan, okay.
no, that's to have water from the because it's still is at the finishing point,
Mm.
almost 99% through. So the link to the source of water is from the Eku River.
Okay,
So we don't need to move out of the airport for any water, for
okay,
source of water. So the source of water is within here. And so the reservoir you can see almost 100% ready. I believe in a couple of days will be operational, functional.
okay,
So source of water is Eku River. So we don't have problem of that.
okay. So this the other tank there is
It's the
still
reservoir. The water
reservoir.
will come in here. This is the water treatment point.
Yeah,
And so it will now, after the treatment, it will now go to the reservoir for storage.
for
So
storage.
from
Okay,
this storage tank, the water will be fed to the airport, the entire airport, including the terminal building
okay,
and the offices.
okay. So
So far, so good.
so when was this started?
This started at the same time. It wasn't completely
Mm.
around the time the airport was commissioned. So
Okay,
just for 1 second,
okay.
just to knock down the
Is she going back?
yeah, she's going back.
Oh, okay. So everyone, you can see that once this is completed, the only thing I don't like is every time we keep saying once it's completed, once it's completed. When would it be completed? If this is completed, I'm told that at the floor here, there is a water treatment plant. Sorry, was it here? Pipe that goes there. And this is the airport fence. Is this part of the fence that was demolished by Mr. Eku?
No, this area is post 26.
Okay,
The one that was destroyed was 08 area beyond there's approach.
okay, approach. Okay.
08 approach.
So are they plastering the fence? Or?
It doesn't need plastering.
No, but what's the look? Look,
They
there
are
is a man
joining
there.
the what do you call it? This
Okay,
slabs.
okay. Okay, people, let's go. Thank you very much.
If I'm reporting it as of my own corner, the new one.
So we are driving.
Okay, if I'm reporting on my own, that old one. Approach
Okay,
using perimeter fence. Perimeter road.
okay. This is called the perimeter road.
It's called perimeter road under not yet finished.
Okay.
I believe when they finish it, it will be tarred.
But okay, this place will be
Now,
tough.
okay,
Okay.
the road will be tarred.
Hmm. But I think
The fence is perimeter fence.
yeah, but it's quite on Nigerian to have a concrete fence. It's quite on Nigerian. You know what I mean?
We have it in other, but it's in Lagos Airport.
Normally, what I see is wire gauze.
So we
Is a
buy
wire.
it.
So
Same
what is that factory there? Is that
That's
MN
Niger Steel.
Niger Steel?
Niger Steel.
So what that is okay, people. This is the water treatment plant.
No, the sewage treatment plant.
Oh, the sewage. Kwa.
Go there, check.
Sewage. Okay, let me come down and see the sewage. So how would you treat the shit, the incinerator? So I've been told now I have to come down. I've been told that the sewage from the terminal building will be treated here. Okay, the sewage from the terminal building will be treated here. Wow. But if the sewage comes here, won't it be smelling? So when it treats it, what does it extract? What does it, does it turn it into fertilizer? Or do you have farmers to come and evacuate it?
The other thing is that it keep on going down.
So the person asking if there is any new taxiway, Maazi Ezeoke can tell you free of charge, there is no new taxiway. So there is no new taxiway. So what we have is, sadly, we have the same, we have an apron though, runway basically. It's the same runway. Ilo, can you, somebody is asking online now if we have a taxiway. Can you tell us, is there any new taxiway?
Well, okay, the taxiway we have is the taxiway adjoining the apron.
Yeah.
Okay, the taxiway adjoining the apron, that's what we have.
Yeah, but that is the runway, isn't
we
it?
do not have parallel runway.
Okay.
There's what's called parallel runway, it's parallel with runway.
Exactly.
But what we have is taxiway that adjoins the aprons.
Yeah.
And then the parking bay.
And we're going to go through that now.
Oh yeah, we see them.
Okay. So for your question, I hope your question is answered already. Like I said, Imaniva Igbo, Anekweku, Anememe, if I be able, Kaine Gusuno, even Emeno. Next question, hold on. Dr. Koye said taxiway were built. No, I think Okoye was mistaking the apron with the taxiway. Okay. So even no, even Maazi Ezeoke no. Nnekwekwa na mmemme. Mbịa ka ngosi unu. Let me show us what is happening here. I came, I would upload an interview I had with the airport manager, a very fine lady that is doing a marvelous job. I have had the in Nigerian context, I must put that caveat. I've had a good report of what she does and all the things. So I've interviewed her, but I'll do that. She gave me the authority and assigned these men. You can see here, I've been assigned that these men drive me around the airport and show me the things I want to see. So Morivan is also here, and this is the vehicle that they've assigned to us. So join me. This is a live stream as usual. This is Maazi Ezeoke here, and we can see what is happening. So ask your questions. Yes, the new terminal building. Are we even? Can we go there afterwards? The new international terminal.
Yes, we can.
So I don't need clarification from Madam on that one, please. The new terminal building. We can't. Okay. No. Outside. No, I'm not interested in. Okay. Okay, but what of the cargo terminal? Cargo terminal? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, video. Okay. So the cargo terminal is not there, people. You can hear that. It's not. This is the perimeter road we are still driving at, with the red sand like Anambra sand. You know. Okay. So for some of you who if you, like I said, if you have questions regarding the Enugu International Airport, you can ask your questions. Kindly share, like, and distribute the video, but others to join you in experiencing what is happening in Enugu. Now, which road is this? Crash? Okay. So is there going to be a gate here or what? Okay, the fence will. Is this the one Emeku knocked down? Okay. 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 So are we going to see the one he knocked down? Okay. Wow. And let's see, there is rail track at the airport. No, but that is the deal. Because what it means, you can easily, extend the rail track to the terminal building. So people can actually board trains and they will get into the airport.
You don't even need terminal building. All you need is a bus, full bus, or whatever that will now.
No. You are
Bring people
no.
here.
That's what people with common sense do all over the world. Is you do a small terminal, a small station inside the airport. You board in, you come into the airport. You use your own. You don't need to wait for any bus now. What if you want to do other things? Where? Eh. Okay. Onwe ba ga few of ma. Don't worry. Can jolly go anywhere about. So that is the runway lightning, right? The night landing. Okay. So people approach lightning. Okay. But it wasn't. Yeah, it wasn't there before.
No, it wasn't here.
Okay. So people. Wow. So what's this? What's this? They want to build culvert here. Okay. So let's see the approach lighting, which is part of the job that was done here. I hope you can see those lights. These are the lights. And that no, I can see that, but at night it shines proper, right?
Properly and longer, right?
Yeah, it's brighter. The runway. And people have been also. I was told by the airport manager now that even APs land here around 10 o'clock at night. So at the end of the day, when the international flights start, that means our international flights can even land around 11, 12 at midnight. So we are getting there. The only thing is that we are very slow, but Nigerian context and the way things work in Nigeria, there is nothing else we can do. So this is the light. Let me see if I can go climb this hill.
Yeah, go for that if you
Let me,
want.
now let me climb the hill.
You can, but you notice them at the runway lights.
Now I have gone to the mountain. So wow. Yeah, I can see the runway. I think we saw there are some green. Yeah, they are now colored. Wow, that is fantastic. Fantastic. I can see the runway light. Oh, yeah, man, and okay. So let me show people around so you see what is happening here, people. These are gentlemen working hard. What time is it? What's the time now, people? Yeah. And we still have men working, 5 o'clock. K bridge they have. That's a railway bridge, right? Ekulu River. Okay. Wow. So ndị na-eme bụ ndị na-eme aja excavate from the river. Yeah, sand excavator. But I think it's trying to cause erosion there. Yeah, that should be an illegal activity. They're already causing erosion there. Ilo, is this runway 26? Is this the point 26 here? Okay, this is 26. So whoever is asking the question, the where I am now is 26. Okay, this is the eminent end, right? Okay, that's the eminent end. Okay. So that's good. I think I like the approach light. Nema Germany. That's yes, that's runway 26. Okay. Now, no be to climb mountain be the problem. Oh. Not to come down. No. See, not to come down. No. Aye. See, I don't want go. No be to no be to climb with the. I'm really clear when mmiri bụ isiokwu. No, ị na-ata ya cup. You see, when we were small, this is what we call chakeleke, nyembo, chaki, weloji. Chakeleke. You see, those birds, we call them chakeleke. Okay, guys, let's hit the road again. Thank you very much for the stopover. Huh? I thought we were going like this. How do we get to the runway then? From only 06, that's it. 26.
This is 06. The other side is 08.
Okay.
So the runway is calibrated 026 and 0.
Okay.
08.
So how do we get close to the runway then?
We can
Okay, how do we get close to the international terminal?
See, I just come out here. Whoever on the main shift got through Air Force gate. On another service road.
But don't tell me that movement is illegal.
No, it's not illegal. What I'm saying is that it will not give you, because we're not going to have access to
the terminal building, but it's fine.
Is in charge.
But I learned the government gave them 1 billion.
Well, you learned, but
we gave them 1 billion.
Federal government.
Nema, I spoke to Mama today. I was actually leaving the airport. I spoke to her a couple of minutes ago. I planned to, when I leave the airport, to go see her, but she told me, she lost her daughter. Her only surviving daughter, she lost. So, and her daughter has about, I think, 4 or 5 children. So, Mama now traveled last week, Friday, to Lagos to stay with the children that she left behind. That alone broke my heart because, and I made that clear known to the airport manager that I wouldn't stop. I will continue to fight for her to see that she gets justice. The airport manager, when I explained the issue with her being an indigent and losing the burial place of her children and her husband, it's unbelievable. But then, nonetheless, we will keep pushing. We will keep pushing. Okay? So how are we going now, people? Okay. Okay.
So the fence went right round.
Okay. So
not yet completed.
Okay. But no, ndị a kuturu nwere nke bata na fence a.
Completely illegal fence in Niger State.
Okay.
Fence eminent.
Okay.
So if somebody has something facing such a main road between airport and eminent, he can't save that.
Okay. Well. Okay, the water collection point, where the water will be coming from. You see, what I do is I come, I see, I show us what is happening. You be the judge. But hold on now. So can I open this gate? Okay, let's. Okay, this is where the water for the airports, this is being constructed. The water treatment plant would come from here. Okay. So this is the Ekulu River, right?
Yes, Ekulu River.
Wow.
This is going to be the source of water to the airport.
So this pipe will be extracting the water.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Where is the pipe then? To move?
Okay, to move
into a chamber here. There. But the water is not even too.
That's not clean.
Yeah.
The treatment is there now.
Okay, that's why we have
Oh,
it.
sure.
Okay.
Of course, water tanking, water.
But when was this dam built here?
Just a couple of months ago.
Really? Wow. Galo Dama.
Yeah.
No, makwamma.
I'm impressed. Personally, I'm impressed on what I'm seeing.
So to go there and connect NEPA and use it to generate
For example,
electricity.
small one, even if it's a 10 50 watt or whatever it gives you, is something.
So
Which I know.
and this is a pregnant woman there. Can you hear the hawker? This is a Ugu. Wow.
Well, this one now we will discourage them later, gradually.
How?
Huh?
This is
We
Ugu.
discourage agricultural activity around the airport.
Why? What
Because
does
of birds and animals.
what does Ugu has to do with birds?
I have flowers for small birds to come and
Nah, you know, looking at these children there swimming, I feel like just getting my swimming thing and just go and join them. It brings back memories of 70s.
Yes.
Hey,
That
man. Obizoga ka anyị na-eje then. Onitsha then on Onitsha, when we lived in Onitsha, we used to go to no.
Okay,
River Niger, yeah. And the Idemili River.
Otherwise, in case of the night, my school now. And I want to tell us that.
Mm.
Then I bet then I got time, walk on and can all the things are there. The erosion area. And I go. Wow. Everybody got to look at small.
But come on. I think our people must get sense somehow. Now look. No. Look down there how they are pouring dirty. Dirt inside the dam. Look. Oh no now. People. You want to turn this into gutter? Oh no. This just spoiled my and that is contaminating the water.
Like you said, very important.
So you can see the kids.
Even gotten the whole thing back into the airport.
How? Channel the water to the airport?
The fence across.
No, Abana. You go. Is it your land?
That's what I'm saying.
It's federal government. Listen, remember, this is still the Great Igbo Nation. We must put a demarcation between the Great Igbo Nation and the federal government. So if federal government can have small of our land, but not, how can you say they will Columbia our river, our ancestral river? No. Listen, I want make a plan. So this is still Oguabi. Okay. Anyway, thank you. This is so okay. Hi, boy, her now. This is
Part of the water treatment.
What up, man? Would they like do things patch? Look, this tiny
the dam for water treatment.
the pipe is too small.
Is it not just 100?
But you can do it better now. Anything worth doing is worth doing well now. Come on, people. So you can turn. So this is once more for those of you joining me. What you're looking at now is the water treatment plant. So the Ekuru River is here. They will be getting water from the Ekuru River and treat it at the airport. For now, we saw water tankers bringing water to the airport. So we are heading back now.
Temporary.
Yes, we are heading back now. This is our vehicle here. Hello, one name Kedu. So that's it, and you can see kids having fun, really fun. I'm kind of jealous. You know, looking at them, I don't want to go into swimming pool. I don't want to get into the.
Sorry,
What did he say? Is there security do waiting? Hmm. Okay. Okay. So what did he want me to give him money for security or what?
They are not requesting for much.
Do we know how many kilometers this fence is? You know, you should because it's your field.
I know. My field?
Yes.
It's a civil engineering, purely civil engineering to give
But
you that.
we should know how many.
But what we used to do in Lagos Airport, which we are using our work, we count these slabs.
Okay.
Not the kilometer, not the distance.